Welcome to the little river waterfall. We're over at Little River Canyon. In with Tom. Just got done a drone flight for a property. We're gonna see what this place is. What would you call this? State Park. Oh, wow, look at you, pretty dog. That's a pretty dog. Have you been down here before? It's been a while. Which way do you normally go? You go down. This is nice. You don't really get to do stuff like this in the city. And everything that is like this is still like surrounded by concrete. The water level's down. The Mississippi River's running low too. Usually it's a lot louder, huh? They sound like a little dinky waterfall, huh? Sounds like a leaky faucet. We just got done taking a selfie and we're pretty bad with our fingers. It's really cool over here. Welcome to the Little River Waterfall. Is it Little River or Little Elm?
Couldn't resist, mate.